Hey, what's up everybody? 302 Row here. Today we're going to take a look at my bootleg stacker. It's called Stage Racing. Plays just like stacker. The difference is it has 3 levels to get to the major. So there's a minor, median, and then major prize. Then also you could hook up tickets and it can dispense tickets if you wanted to do that type of thing. But anyway, I've had it for a while and I haven't been able to get in because I don't have the keys or the key to this lock. I had the keys for down here so I can get inside and everything, but I haven't been able to change out the prizes. So when we play it, if we win, I always tell everybody, you know, don't pick that prize right there. You know, I don't want the only prize that's left to fall until I, can open it up and stock it up. So anyway, if I call a locksmith, it's going to cost more than what I got the machine for. I think I got this one for like $150, and it's going to be close to that. And all they're going to do at the end of the day is just drill it out. So that's what I'm going to do. I tried to get a little lockpick kit. And, obviously that wasn't successful because here we are. And I'm getting ready to drill that bad boy out. So here we go. Hopefully it all goes well. Here's the before. And I'm going to start drilling, and we'll get to the after with success. Here we go. I think you got it that time. There we go. Woo! Right in there, no cuts, no scrapes. A little scrape, but we made it. Woo! All right, that was a battle. All right, that was a struggle. That was a struggle. All right, take off the safety specs. Let me show you what it's looking like over here. It's a mess. So I got a lot to clean up. So here we go, but check it out. I'm finally inside of here. So this is cool. So now I can load up prizes. We can do videos. I can put this out somewhere on location finally. So this is awesome. So yeah. Whew. Now I'll go to like Home Depot or something and get a new lock to put in here. What was giving me so much trouble was all this stuff right here where it turns. When this goes up, it's not turning enough to make this go down and pull the spring. So this was, you guys can't see it, this right here, that was stuck. But anyway, got it open. Kind of hype. Here we go. This now just brings this game to life. It's been in the garage forever. But I'm rambling on. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Peace.